If I could capture a memory and keep it in a jar, I'd remember the moments when your wings was in my arms. You were Mr. Blanket, I am a helpless child. These inner senses, you touch and drive me wild. Wild, wild, wild. Flying through the night and lay me on the branch. In the morning we will dance and greet the world and always be up high, up high, up high, up high and out of time. There's a storm that's brewing in my heart, but I am strong and golden by your love. The promise of the world, you'll never be alone. If the sky